We're about to do the unthinkable. Yes, I know. This will be my second time going relax, right? Just just come along with me, okay? Actually be my third time relax in my whole entire life. But this will be my second time relax from going from relax to natural for 4 years and then going to relax to about a year and a half and then natural, and then now I'm getting ready to go relax. Yeah, I understand. I know. You're probably like, don't do it. Why are you doing it? I'm doing it because I want something different. I am just not in the mood for this anymore. Okay? So your girl went to the hair store and I'm just going to show you my products that I bought. Oops, sorry. I got the olive oil. I did not know that they had the mild strength. So they have normal, which is the one I got, and they have mild, which means there's less chemicals in it, and then they have a super. I did not know that. And then they have one that is just for touch up, which is in a smaller box. Okay, so what you're going to get in this box here is everything, which is why I got the kit. I am used to getting Mizani. Mizani works well on my head. However, because I'm just coming off of a version relaxed hair, I decided to just get something that is more laid back compared to, lesser strength compared to Mizani, because Mizani is really, really strong. When I went from natural to relax, I used Mizani, and child, my hair was so slick back. Yeah, I don't want that. So I decided to get something that is a little bit lighter. Okay, so you get the cream, you get the activator, we all know. You get the gloves, instructions, and your little spatula. You get the oil moisturizing hair lotion, and then you get all of this. Where's the goddamn neutralizer? Oil booster. This is the one that doesn't come with the neutralizer. This is the video that I made on my TikTok, and I bought this and I was like, what happened to the neutralizer? Like, who does that? That video is still getting views to this day and getting likes. I forgot this doesn't come with a neutralizer. You get the shampoo, and then you get the replenishing booster, and then you get the oil boost, which is number B. Okay, I'm gonna need instructions because this is new. I don't know about this. I had to do things a little bit different this time because last time when I went from natural to relax, I did not do a good job at trying to keep my hair relaxed. I kept over processing it and it was damaged. It was breaking. Like the back was growing, but the front wasn't. And I destroyed my relaxed hair, which is why I went back natural again. That's the only reason why. Other than that, I wouldn't have went natural. I should have kept my hair. I don't know why. Over the summer, I decided to cut it when I should have just relaxed it. That really does not make sense at all. Okay, so fun fact. Yesterday, I dyed my hair black. After dyeing my hair, I decided I wanted to be relaxed. Call me crazy, but I'm crazy. Yes, I'm doing it. So I'm going to pray that my hair does not fall out. I've done crazy things in the past with my natural hair. I've done crazy things with my relaxed hair. So we're just gonna pray like I've always been doing when I do something daring to my hair. We just gonna pray it out, girl. Okay? Step, because I really want to explain. And I've done my research. I've looked on YouTube. I've even Googled You know, is it okay to to relax your hair after you dye your hair? In my case, I dyed it black. Of course, I did not go to a lighter color. If I would have done that, then yeah, I would have a big problem. Oh, my hairbrush, the perm brush, it's in the, I gotta get it. And then I will explain why I'm just deciding to just go back, relax. London just left out of here and was like, Mommy, your hair is fine the way it is. Why you keep changing it? I'm going to actually grease my scalp. I went old school and got the coconut oil, which I don't know why when I got coconut oil right there, but I got some grease. And what I'm doing is protecting my hair. And then once I'm done, I'm going to grease my hair around the perimeter and so forth. Right now, my hair is dry because I should have done a deep condition. So I can't believe it. I'm saying goodbye to my natural hair. The ears, the skin. Okay. And then now I'm going to add some oil on top. I might use this because this is jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera oil. So I'm going to use a little bit of this to put on the top of my hair strands. Just to protect my hair. All right. So where's my comb? But the time it touches your hair is when it starts. So I'm gonna do about 18 minutes. So I'm gonna start in the middle because that's where it is most thick. Dang it. All right, so now we're gonna do voiceover.
Okay, so
and then
the reason
I'm
why I decided to just get a relaxer is because it's me. I like switching things up. I like to go from natural to relax, natural to relax. That is just something that I like to do. I know a lot of people may not be fond of it. They might be saying, no, girl, keep your natural hair, blah, blah, blah. But you have to understand, I have been relaxed for over half of my life. I did not go natural until 2017. And again, I am 44 years old. Okay. So that means I was around 37 when I went natural. And I enjoyed that process, and I'm not going to lie, I broke my hair out. I've overdid it by putting too many different protective styles, breaking my hair out, and then I was able to regrow it. Hence the reason why this was my, I think, 5th big chop, because I had to keep chopping it off, and then I would grow it out, and then I'll chop it off, grow it out, then chop it off. My biggest regret of all, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it verbally in this video, was not keeping my hair over the summer. That's my biggest regret when it comes down to relaxing my hair. I wish I would have kept that, because then I could have had like a mini bob, but that's neither here nor there. I am here right now, and girl, I'm going to enjoy it. I enjoyed being relaxed when I went relaxed around 2021, 22. So I enjoyed that process. I do have a playlist. I do my own hair. I cut my own hair. I color my own hair. I relax my own hair. I big chop my own hair. I don't go to hairstylists because to me, they don't never really do my hair right. The only time you saw me go to a hairstylist was when I got my color done by my friend who is a hairstylist. So I just went to the hairstylist a few months ago of 2024. Okay. So the reason why I did not go to her is because she knows when I have like this, I'm very spontaneous. So when it comes down to like an idea, I don't have time to wait until she has an available appointment. I'm ready to do the thing now. Okay. So I am the type of person who doesn't care too much about hair, because hair is hair. I'm sorry. Hair is just hair for me. All right. So I don't mind going short. I done a buzz cut last year. I grew my hair from a buzz cut to my big fro that you saw earlier in the video. It took me only 1 year just to grow my hair out that long. And I have extreme shortage. That's another reason. When my hair is like medium length, or even at 1.5 years, like I have long hair when it's stretched out, but when it's curly, it is short. Like you can't even tell my true length with my hair in its shrinkage state. And I don't like that. And to me, the only way to really protect your hair is to put it away. And I feel like, why be relaxed if you are going to constantly put your hair away? Like, my hair is not shoulder length. If it was, then it would be a different story. But even then, I will put it in a ponytail. And then you can't really do ponytails, because then your hair can start breaking out in the very same spot where you have your rubber bands at. So I just never understood it. And I know people might say, well, girl, why don't you just wear wigs? But then what's the point of being natural if you're going to always put your hair away? I even thought about growing dreads, but then I was like, I just don't feel like going through that process. So I'm taking the easy way out and just going to get relaxed. And I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm going to take care of it. And that is that. I'm all covered. I did it. Thought I saw smoke for a second. Make sure behind the ears are together. Yeah, the back is starting to kind of like itch a little bit. But that does not determine when the processing time is over. What determines if it's over is the time. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. That determines when I need to take this off. I had to do some research. Was that a piece of hair? Sure was. Woo! So this is the hair that I had that came out. Not a lot of strands on my hair, just a little up in here, but that's it. Like, look at the back of my hair. Look at that. I'll be back, y'all. I'm going in with this. Oh, yeah. Right there.
Yeah, Tamika looking like that mannequin. Damn, that be ugly. Tamika look like that mannequin. Boy, that money pushed up in her room.
Alright, so now we're gonna go in. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna do a separate video. So this is my hair. And what it looks like. I don't care if it's like the bone straightness and all of that. It's just relaxed.
Okay, so what I did, I thought I was recording. So this is 2-in-1. I use one side as the protein. Add strength and softens in one step quick and yep. And then go in with the balancing moisturizer. And then go in with the conditioner. Then I have some Nairobi, and I will catch you in a second. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. I just used the Nairobi. Alright. I trimmed my hair the best way I could. Alright. Just did a little swoop around because I want my hair like in a wrap. Okay. And then I'm going to flat iron it. I forgot to get the hair strips. Woe is me. I forgot. But I'm going to tie my hair up. And then in the morning,